In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song With or Without You by U2. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. And you give yourself away, and you give yourself away, and you give, and you give, and you give yourself away. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, then let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, you're invited to be a part of my ukulele community on Patreon. It's called the U Crew, and there you're gonna have access to chord charts, exclusive tutorials, and other opportunities to play with other uke players around the world. So join the family, click on the link in my description box below, and hope to see you there. And finally, I want to thank Kumu Ukulele for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to showcase this gorgeous concert-sized model. It's called the CM54A. I love the wood, love that it's got a black tux design on it. It also plugs in and has built-in effects like reverb, delay, and chorus, so it's really fun to experiment with. And if you want to get your hands on this model, then also click on the link in my description box below. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play with or without you, and those chords are C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Now if you already know how to play those 4 chords, then great job, feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is G major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And the last chord for the song is F major. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, tap, down. Let's play that string pattern now on the C major chord. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 2 turns of the string pattern, G major for 2 turns, A minor for 2 turns, and then F major for 2 turns of that string pattern. Let's play those elements all together now. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, tap, down, 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 G major, go. Down, down, tap, down, 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 A minor, go. Down, down, tap, down, 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 F major, go. Down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. And now let's play the chord progression and the string pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, tap, down, down, G major, down, down, tap, down, down, A minor, down, down, tap, down, down, F major, down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through with or without you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Through the storm we reach the shore. You give it all, but I want more. And I'm waiting for you. With or without you. With or without you. I can't live. With or without you. And you give yourself away, and you give yourself away, and you give, and you give, yourself away. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for With or Without You. And that's You Play With or Without You by U2. Thanks so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends RJ Hikes and Chance Wagonfield for supporting me on Patreon and for allowing me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join my U-Crew on my Patreon page, and to check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.